Alright, everybody, how are you? Orlando here, and I am going to do something very different today. I am going to show you the run out of or the overview of today's F1 strategy setups. We have some good setups and we have some amazing setups using the F1 strategy, and I want to share them with you today. I'm going to share every single one of them, their entry, their stop loss level, their target level, and the probability of success of each one, so you don't want to miss out this video. Now, before we go any further, why don't we run that intro? All right, so if you don't already know, actually I'm going to go big for that again. There you go. If you don't already know, the F1 strategy is a semi-automated strategy with a given set of rules that can be applied to any market by any trader. All you need to do is have discipline and to learn to find the optimal setups, right? As any strategy goes, it can give suboptimal entries, but I teach you how to not take that and how to avoid suboptimal entries or suboptimal setups and only focus on the setups like the ones that I'm going to show you right now. So if you want to be part of the F1 Strategy Club, right, there's a link below this video where you can purchase the F1 strategy. It's a one single payment that will give you access to all the educational videos, and it will give you access to the F1 strategy chat room. That's right. We have a chat room where we all chat, where all the F1 strategy traders chat with each other and with me. It's an actual chat room, right, every single day, and you have access to that for live. So check that out if you're interested, but now let's go to the charts. All right. So first of all, I'm going to go through what the F1 strategy is a little bit quickly, right? So the F1 strategy is a trending strategy, right? We focus on monetizing with the strength of the trend. So the stronger the trend, the highest probability setup is that we're going to find. For example, the first setup that we found, and I didn't find this, this was found by Michael, one of the 29 F1 strategy members. This is the F1 strategy chat, right, that you get lifetime access when you purchase the strategy. And here is where you are going to get all the lessons and all of my videos. It's a never-ending learning group of traders. So the first one, it's on the Euro Yen. The F1 strategy shows you your entry levels with the orange lines, your stop losses levels with the orange lines too, and your target with the green lines. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple, right? Okay, so that is for the entry and the stop loss level. This particular setup yields a 2.41 strategy, 2.41 risk to reward ratio, I'm sorry, right? And we're just going to focus on the 5-minute chart so you can actually see what I'm talking about, right? Now, a couple of things that I don't like about this setup just yet. We have not, let's see if we have it actually. Yes, I'm sorry, we do have divergence. So we look for divergence in this market. I'm not going to go through what this oscillator is, what these lines are, because that defeats the purpose, right? But we look for Basically, we look for divergence. This market has the clear divergence between price and our oscillator right here, right? Bullish divergence. The thing that I don't like is that price has been trading inside of this range for a while, right? This could mean that we're going to have that explosive move to take out all of this liquidity, right? Or not. So a little bit lack of momentum in this trade, but still a very good F1 strategy. Anything that you see marked on the right side of your screen, of my screen, with a blue tag like the euro yen is an F1. With a red tag, it's a VIP trade. So today we had 2 VIP trades and 4 possible F1 strategy. The second one is in platinum, right? A short in platinum. Now, this is an amazing F1 strategy setup too. We are looking for shorts on platinum, trying to trade the downside in this market. We have seen the decrease in price since the highs on February 23. We are now February 8th, 2023. So a week of bearish price action. Yesterday's F1 strategy in platinum, right? Yield. You can also backtest this. This is quite cool. Yield 2.28R. So, pretty cool F1 strategy setup too. We are looking at massive divergence on the bear side. This is one that I would definitely take, right? With one in platinum. But let me show you the ones that I am really looking forward to. This F1 strategy setup on the Dow, and this one F1 strategy setup on the Russell. Now, look at the Russell 2000. This is a crazy good F1 strategy setup. Everything points out at a continuation to the upside. Remember that we look for trending markets, and as you can see, since we bottom on the February 10th, we have been looking at higher highs and higher lows. This is however the first F1 strategy setup for this market. We have clear divergence in our instruments, and a break of the highs would trigger that particular trade. Now, the only thing that like the euro yen don't like too much about this one, even though it's the highest probability, or the highest risk to reward ratio, is that my instruments show price is stuck inside of a range. Now, the one that I'm taking, or the one that I am most definitely placing, is this one on the NASDAQ. Just have a look at this. Very nice divergence. The risk to reward ratio is 1 to 3 to targets. We are looking at a very strong bullish market, and this is again the first F1 strategy setup that we've had in this particular bull run. So this is the one that I'm taking at the moment. Divergence is very clear here. We are looking, all of our instruments are looking very bullish. And if I'm not mistaken, let's see if we have any news pending today. I know that we are starting with the London session. We have core PPI numbers today, and the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index and unemployment claims later today, but that is in about 8 hours. Everything is pointing out at a good F1 strategy setup. So I am placing and sending you guys talking about the F1 strategy group, this possible setup. So again, if you want to be part of the F1 strategy team, just go ahead and click the link below. So just one payment deal, and if you are, if this is what you're looking for, I'll see you around.